Hi, this is Jason with eStore Coaching. Today we're here to take a look at how Ashop, an e-commerce application, can be used to help you manage your eStore business. We're going to walk through your setup process, your configuration of your site, design, product setup, payment gateway, and order processing if we can. So basically the essentials so you can quickly set up your eStore and start selling. So let's get started. This is my first time taking a look at this application. Sign up for the free trial, and so what I want to do is actually just take a look at our this is a dashboard that we see here. It's a summary of your orders, your support tickets, link, your monthly sales, any task you need to do, and any recent forum post. So I like it. It's nice and clean. Let's see if we can take a look at a store first. So this is one of the generic templates that we selected. So nothing here yet. Let's look at products. Add a new product. I'm gonna air my Nike polos. Some keywords. Okay, since we can't create a brand on the fly, I'm just gonna use NA. Our price $50, retail $75, B2B price $40. We don't have a template set up yet, so we'll do that later. Let's say £1 each. Tax-free product. I don't know what this is, so I'm just gonna put a number there. No categories yet, so let me do a description of product. So it looks like they have the ability to add this as a digital item. You can create license keys, but we're gonna make this a physical product. Let's browse for an image. We're gonna make this available online, homepage, category special. We're not gonna keep track of inventory. Let's do size. Text variant. I'm not sure what this is exactly yet. Related products. Don't have any yet, so I'm just gonna save first. Okay. So here's a product that we just added. Let's take a look at more detail. Let's add a new category. Let's give it a apparel. You can add a category image. Enable. We'll leave that blank, and you can add a metadata information for your category. And we're going to save the changes. Let's see if we can add another one. Let's say footwear. Enable. Great. Looks like we can drag and drop feature. So you can make footwear a children, off of apparel and apparel, or you can make them as two separate categories. Brands, you can add brands here as well. Let's add one for Nike. You can input some information here. Let's add a new variant. It's going to be color drop down. Discount coupons. Let's add a coupon. You could do a quantity discounts as well. Create a template for that. At another level. Let's take a look at creating a new gift certificate. So you'll enter your information here. It's treated like a product, and you'll enter the description. And it's like creating a new product, basically. So here's an example of a template. Looks like a real authentic certificate, and you can select the different backgrounds you like to have, and types of data points that you want to add into the certificate. So let's go back to the products and include the brands that we just created. And the categories. Let's select the variants, add, And here are the variants that we previously created. The color black, green, and silver. So what we're going to do is just unhide these and save it. We'll take a look at the product later, so let's check out the themes. So below is a list of out-of-the-box themes that they offer, free templates. As you can see, it's a good variety, different color, different layouts for you to choose from. So let's just select this theme to implement. So on the left hand side you'll see a widget layout. Basically they have a good amount of different layouts for you to choose from, and once you select one you can actually change the template of your home page based on this specific widget. So you can pick another widget if you want. Let's say 47, and this kind of changes the style or adds different modules to the schema. And unfortunately you can't really tell how it looks like until you select the widget. And you can do the same thing for product listings and product details and the button styles on the bottom. And you can control that on the top navigation where you'll see the product listing page, and all you have to do is select your widget for that. And here's the detail page, and you can drag and drop different modules. Just hover your mouse over a particular module, and then once you get that crossbar, just move it to where you want it. Here's the content pages and system and blog. So let's update this. Let's take a look at the widget layout real quick. So here's a couple of different layouts that we selected. So on the left hand side you'll see the navigation, and you have the option of inserting widgets in each section. Over here you can choose to update the CSS file. And for the product listing, same concept. You can update the HTML file here. Let's take a look at the database import export. They have a good amount of options for you to export and import from. You have Access database and Excel. So let's take a look at the Excel products. So here's a product export. So it contains all the information you use to set up your product information from the admin panel. So you have the option of exporting brands, categories, customers, content, and variants. So let's take a look at variants. These are the color schema, the color options that we selected. So here's how it looks like. And you can import it as well on the right panel by the same way you would do the export. So you can also export product feeds as well. So let's take a look at Google Base. You can select the domain and download the XML file. And it'll have all the Google required fields as well. So let's take a look at the payment methods, payment gateway options. Let's add a new payment gateway. I think because I'm on the trial version, everything is kind of disabled, but these are the payment gateway options that they're integrated with. So you can see there's a good amount of options for you to choose from. And you have the option of selecting what type of cards that's accepted for this payment gateway. Let's take a look at the tax editor. Here's the domestic tax options. And here's one for the international if you want to add different countries. Let's take a look at the shipping options. Here's domestic real-time. You have the option of activating a good amount of shippers. For example, you could add a FedEx Ground or a UPS Ground, for example. And available for which customers. So you can allow free shipping as well for orders over a certain amount. So let's take a look at the product page. We selected the silver, and let's see if we can check out. I'm going to see if I can check out using a coupon code. And let's proceed. So here's your order confirmation page. And let's take a look at the order panel. So on this page you'll see on the left hand side you'll see the order statuses to choose from and the number of open items for each of these statuses. So let's take a look at the order. You can send an email to them and you can adjust the order status. You have the option of updating the payment status as well. And it looks like they have optional fraud detection modules to check to see if address comparison and all that good stuff. So here's the order details. Here's an example of an email. So once you put in the ship status, you can enter the tracking number. And then I guess you can complete the order status. So that's basically your order processing module in a nutshell. So there you have it. It's a preview of Ashop. For more information about this review and show notes on Ashop or any other eStore reviews, please visit my site at www.estorecoaching.com, where I conduct a more detailed review of the store offline. If you like this review, please give me a thumbs up and provide feedback to help me provide kind of more better content for you in the future. Thank you for watching.